Hello once again, everyone. This is Teacher David from Fast Track English. Welcome to my page and welcome to this lesson about phrasal verbs. I'm going to be talking about phrasal verbs. They consist of a verb and or one or two particles. This is the grammar of phrasal verbs. Now, I don't want to get into too much of a detail of how a phrasal verb is created. But we have phrasal verbs with no object, which we call intransitive, come in or arrive. A phrasal verb which can be separated by an object, write something down or write something on paper. Phrasal verb which cannot be separated, look after the baby. We cannot say look the baby after. Let's take a look at several phrasal verbs. Check in means to go to a desk in an airport or hotel and tell an official that you have arrived. I have to check in before 8 o'clock. Look up information of a business, somebody's situation, etc. Get better. Business was bad, but now things are looking up. Show up means to arrive in a place where somebody is waiting for you. She didn't show up till the next morning. Write something on paper or write something down. She wrote his name down in her notebook, or she wrote down his name. We can separate that phrasal verb. Write something down or write down something. If the object is a long phrase, it will usually come after the phrasal verb. She wrote down everything she could remember about him. She wrote it down. The object pronoun goes in between. She wrote down it. Look something up means to look for information in a book or online. I had to look the word up. Make something up means to invent a story or an explanation for something. I didn't want to see him, so I made up an excuse and left. Try something on. To put on a piece of clothing to see if it fits or looks good on you. I tried the jacket on, but it was too small. Look after somebody or something. It means to take care of or be responsible for somebody or something. He looked after the baby. He looked the baby after. We cannot say that because we cannot separate look after. Look into something means to investigate and try to discover the facts about something, a crime, a problem. I complained to the airline and they're looking into it. Come across something or somebody. It means to meet somebody or find something by chance. I came across the word in an article. Stand for something means to represent or mean. WWW stands for World Wide Web. To go out with somebody means to spend time with somebody and have a romantic relationship with them. Maria's going out with Tom's brother. What does WWW stand for? To cut back on something means to reduce the amount of something that you eat, spend, use, etc. I must cut back on sweets to try and lose weight. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that these phrasal verbs will help you understand the English language a little bit better if you put these phrasal verbs to practice. Thank you for joining me today, and thank you for following Fast Track.